Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical portable air compressor, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from portable air compressor, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. And to help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best portable air compressor from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DEWALT 20-volt max tire inflator portable air compressor. The DEWALT 20-volt max tire inflator portable air compressor is the ultimate solution for tire inflation and more. Powered by 20-volt max batteries, 12-volt DC, or 110-volt AC, this versatile inflator is designed for use at the job site, in your garage, or on the go. It features high-pressure inflation with an automatic shutoff for precise air pressure, and a high-volume mode for quick inflating of mattresses and other large items. The included digital gauge makes it easy to set and monitor the pressure, while the LED light ensures visibility in low-light conditions. A heavy-duty rubber hose, threaded chuck, and onboard accessories make this tool durable and efficient for various tasks. Plus, the onboard storage and rubber feet help reduce walking and keep everything organized. With its durable construction and powerful performance, this portable air compressor is perfect for tires, inflatables, and more. Battery, charger, and AC adapter sold separately. Number 2. OFISPEED Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. The OFISPEED Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is a compact, powerful, and multi-functional tool perfect for your inflation needs. With a maximum pressure of 150 psi and a fast inflation rate, it quickly inflates tires 28 to 35 in just 1 minute and can also be used for bikes, motorcycles, cars, and sports ball. The ultra-large LCD display offers real-time tire pressure readings in PSI, BAR, kPa, or kg per centimeter square, allowing you to monitor and adjust pressure with precision, and the auto shutoff function ensures safe inflation every time. Lightweight and portable at just 1 lb, it's easy to store and carry with you on the go. Additionally, it features a built-in emergency charger and LED flashlight for added convenience during dark or emergency situations. With 5 intelligent modes, a 2-year warranty, and excellent customer service, the OFISPEED Tire Inflator is an essential companion for any journey. Number 3. Modari Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. The Modari Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is your ideal travel companion, ensuring you're always ready for the road. With a powerful 7,800 mAh battery and a fast 35-liter per minute airflow, this cordless air compressor can inflate your car tires in just 1 minute, saving you time and hassle on long trips. The advanced pump core and dual heat dissipation technology keep it running cool even during extended use. The Modari Tire Inflator offers 4 preset modes for car, motorcycle, bike, and ball, with a custom mode up to 160 psi. It's compatible with various vehicles like SUVs, trucks, and motorcycles, and includes 4 valve adapters. Its built-in sensor provides accurate tire pressure readings, and the large LED screen makes monitoring easy, even in sunlight. With safety features like auto shutoff and UL94V0 fireproof material, the Modari Tire Inflator ensures reliable and safe operation, making it perfect for daily use and emergencies. Number 4. AstroAI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. The AstroAI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is a versatile and powerful solution for inflating tires and other inflatables. It offers dual power options with 12-volt DC for car use and 120-volt AC for home use, making it perfect for both travel and everyday situations. With its high pressure and high soluble debris modes, it easily inflates tires, bicycles, motorcycles, and even large items like air mattresses. Thanks to OmniVent technology, the inflator efficiently dissipates heat, ensuring a long-lasting performance. The unit works continuously for up to 15 minutes and inflates a flat tire from 0 to 36 psi in just 6 minutes. It also features a preset pressure function and automatic shutoff for precision, along with an LED light for night use. Easy to store, it comes with an air hose compartment and essential accessories. The AstroAI tire inflator makes a thoughtful and practical Christmas gift for anyone who drives or enjoys outdoor activities. Number 5. ETENWOLF VORTEX 6 Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. The ETENWOLF VORTEX S6 Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is designed for fast and efficient inflation, especially for heavy-duty vehicles like trucks, pickups, and off-road vehicles. With its powerful 160 psi max capacity and 1.5 CFM psi, the VORTEX S6 inflates a 31-inch tire in just 1 minute. It features a built-in 19200 mAh lithium battery that can inflate up to 18 FA150 tires on a full charge. The USB C45W dual direction fast charging port allows for rapid recharging and powering devices. This inflator boasts a 100% duty cycle, meaning it can continuously inflate all 4 tires of a vehicle without needing brakes. Equipped with auto-stop functionality, it automatically stops when the preset pressure is reached. With 7 preset modes, pressure memory, and a 1000 lumen LED light, this portable air compressor is perfect for use in emergencies or even as a camping lantern. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.